English Junior. Ready? Start. Ladies and gentlemen, I am glad to be here to participate in the journey for a developed India. On this occasion, I am happy to address those who are involved in our resolution to make India a developed country. This journey has been started last month, and it is my duty to contribute my time to this program. I have come to meet my people as a member of parliament. On this occasion, I am very glad to participate in this program today. You are aware that in our country, governments have come and gone. All these years, many schemes have been formulated and discussions have taken place. It is well known that big promises have been made in the last few decades. In this record, it is necessary that the government's plans should reach the people without any trouble. If it is the Prime Minister's housing scheme, then those who are living in slums should get houses. They should not be made to run to the government offices to get benefits. As a matter of fact, it is the government that should reach out to them. I am happy to state that since we came to power, about 4 crore families have got new houses. At the same time, it is true that some people have been left out. It is therefore necessary that I should travel throughout the country to listen to the people as far as I can. As a result, we will be able to see whether the schemes have really reached the people. I have no doubt that this will help me get the real picture. I would like to hear from you whether the work I have been planning has been transformed into reality. In other words, I want to know whether it has reached those people for whom it was meant. In the same manner, I would also like to hear from you the experience regarding the medical insurance scheme initiated by me. I recently met some individuals who got this health card and got treatment for serious diseases. It has to be borne in mind that the schemes impact the entire family. When I hear such positive views directly from the people, I am very happy. In the same manner, the officials who prepare such schemes and execute them also feel satisfied. With these few words, I resume my seat. Thank you. Dear sir, we thank you for your letter of the 7th June asking for our latest price list and catalog, which we have great pleasure in forwarding. We have instructed one of our representatives to communicate with you and to arrange for you to have a trial run in one of our cars at your convenience. If you will be good enough to do this, we have no doubt that you will be pleased with the car and that you will desire to purchase a car of this type. We think you will agree that our prices compare favorably with other firms, considering that the materials, design and workmanship are of the highest possible quality. We cannot guarantee delivery under 6 months, but if you place an order with us, we shall do our utmost to give you early delivery. We can guarantee that delivery will not exceed 6 months and expecting favorable reply soon. Thanking you meanwhile. Yours faithfully.